Hello guys, I'm Saturnax. Welcome back in another video. In this video, we're gonna see how iPhone SE first generation performs on iOS 14 beta. So, in order to do this, I will just do the ANTUTU benchmark test. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are on my phone. We got an ANTUTU benchmark installed, and the only thing we need to do now is to actually go in the settings and show you the battery health. So the maximum capacity of battery is 86%, which is still pretty good after 3 whole years of using this phone. Okay guys, so now once we know this crucial thing, let's close these settings and just clean up the background apps that are in the multitasking. So let's do it. Okay, now let's open ANTUTU benchmark and let's do the test. First, let's go to my device and I will just show you all the information about the phone. As you can see, iOS 14, Apple A9 on board, render power VR series and the other information. Okay, so let's close the My Device tab and let's start the test. Here we go. Okay guys, so we're finally after the benchmark, and as you can perceive, we got a score of 175,336 points, which is pretty impressive. I don't know bro, but it's just better than the iOS 14. Now once we know this information, we can also compare this score to the other phones. So let's go to the ranking, and now once it's loaded up, on the first place we got some iPads, so iPad Pro, then we got the iPhone 11 Pro Max on the 5th place. On the 9th place we got the iPhone SE2 with a score of 462,532 points, which is more than a double of this, but let's scroll down, and on 24th place we got the iPhone SE first generation with a score of 178,246 points, which is, comparing to mine, score pretty similar. Mine is a bit worse, but this is just the difference of the margin, so it's not that important. Yeah, so that's it. Here in ANTUTU Benchmark you can also just read some news about the best phones and the other things like this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more beautiful, exciting and useful videos like this. Thumbs up if you like the video, and yeah, stay tuned for the next. Bye!